How to fix iPhone shared notes not opening.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to address a common issue many iPhone users experience: shared notes not opening. Shared notes is a wonderful feature that allows collaboration with others, but when it doesn't work, it can be quite frustrating. Let's dive in and find out how to resolve this issue.
Are you logged into iCloud?
One of the primary reasons for shared notes not opening might be that you're not logged in to your iCloud account. To check and fix this, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Ensure that you're signed in. If you're not, enter your Apple ID and password to log in. 4. Once logged in, tap on iCloud. 5. Scroll down to Notes and ensure the toggle switch next to it is turned on, green.
Is the shared notes feature enabled?
Another possibility could be that the shared notes feature is not enabled. Here's how to check. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Notes. 3. Under the Sharing heading, ensure that the toggle switch next to Shared Notes is turned on, green.
Is your iOS version up to date?
Sometimes, outdated iOS versions may create compatibility issues. Here's how to update your iOS. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on General. 3. Tap on Software Update. 4. If there's an update available, tap Download and install.
Have you tried restarting your iPhone?
As simple as it may sound, sometimes a quick restart can resolve many issues, including this one. To restart your iPhone, 1. Hold down the side button and volume down button simultaneously until you see the power off slider. 2. Drag the slider, wait for 30 seconds for your iPhone to turn off. 3. After the device turns off, hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. I hope these steps help you resolve the issue with iPhone shared notes not opening. Sometimes, technical glitches can cause unexpected issues. But with these tips, you should be able to troubleshoot and solve most common problems. Don't forget, if the issue persists, you can always reach out to Apple support. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay connected.